I know today is Sunday, but instead of cooking Sunday rice, I have decided to cook okwuru for Bure Chief and Big Chief, of course. First, I started slicing the okra. I normally like to add a lot because it's very healthy. During that time, I had already started boiling the meat. Then I cut the meat and mixed it all together, where I had already started to fry the onions in palm oil with crayfish and obono. And shap shap, food was ready. Yarugo! Yarugo! Yari Enni! Look one for Bure Chief. Yarugo! Yari Enni, fufu neba! What say so? Why you didn't come when I called you? Food is ready.
Mommy. Just go for your game. Okay?
Okay. Anyway, ha. Fufu na gini?
Na akara.
Okra soup.
Akara soup.
You like it, yeah? Bring it close now. Agini. Adiaku. Foi on. Foi on. Foi on. This boy likes fufu too much. Oya, mommy is seeing you go. Come on, look. Here now. Chief. Here we say.
Kan jij het weg? Kan jij het weg gaan?
Sure. Thank you.
Okay. Ciao.
Ciao.